So this is a luxury brand conditioner, and is it worth the price? I noticed that some of the reviews were complaining that their bottles were not full, and their bottles looked like they were clear, and then my bottle came opaque, and I was a little bit worried, like, were they trying to hide that they weren't filling them up? So I wanted to show you so you could know before you bought this. I just got it. It smells pleasant. I've been told a little goes a long way. There was a seal. I took the seal off, but here, let me open it up so you can see inside. I don't know how well you can tell, but it is full. It's not full to the very, very top, but it's pretty, my hand is touching, or the tip of my finger is touching the shampoo, and it's just, you know, that much in there. So yes, you really do get a full container. Now, this is a small bottle of conditioner. It advertises 250 mils. I definitely think there's 8.5 ounces, 250 mils in here. You are getting the amount you pay for. So, and again, this is a luxury conditioner, and a little bit goes a long way. I hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.